What's up, everybody? Just doing a quick walkthrough on my installation of the Bosch Tronic 3000 point of use hot water heater. Didn't have any room in my cabinet under the sink, so I elected to go to an adjacent cabinet and then run the supply lines through the cabinet wall. So I got some 90-degree fittings from Home Depot so that I could get it to go the direction of the flow for these supply lines. So I got two of those. Those were just about $3 each, the 90 degrees. I've got a barb fitting for the purge valve that runs through just a vinyl tube flexibility. I mean, if you can do PVC and glue it together, because it is slightly pressurized when you let it out, that would be good. So this goes over to this cabinet. I got a new 1.5-inch fitting with a barb on it that I could connect and then crank down with some gear worms here that cranks it down onto the barb. Supply line to the hot that runs over to the cold side of the tank. Hot out goes to the faucet up here. And you're probably going to have to service it. They do recommend you take it out once a year and either descale, clean the anode, or replace the heating element as needed. But so far, so good. Pretty easy installation. I did do a GFIC outlet because it is in a wet area. This is a 20 amp GFIC off my kitchen. Those GFICs are also 20 amp. It's rated for 12 amps, so you could do a 15 amp if you wanted to, but if you're running this guy in a blender, your refrigerator, dishwasher, all in that circuit, it could trip. So I just went ahead and better to have more than less. I'm a 20 amp. So hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll report back with an update later. Thank you.